Jamaica is our home, and our island is full of places to explore. Join us as we share those adventures with you.
That includes the food, the places, and the people we meet. In general, our rich culture. This is
YaadMentz. Season 2. Everybody, welcome again to another episode in season 2 of YaadMentz.
Yes.
This week, Monday, we did something pretty cool. We went to JamZone bowling.
Yes.
And it's a place where you can go and bowl, as the name suggests.
And eat food.
And eat food as well, because they do have a restaurant. It's up in by Manor Park.
Mm-hmm.
And they have a lot of activities in that place as well. So it's a nice, good vibe place to go and chill and eat and have fun.
Right.
And so today we went and bowled. And we were competing against each other, but as you will see, I lost. But don't worry, I'm not a sore loser. We still had a good time. He won. Cheers to him. But we had a good time just the same.
Yeah.
And on Mondays, actually, they do have a deal where you can go 2 for 1 on Monday from 2 o'clock to midnight.
Right.
So to go for 2 for 1, me and him went for $1,200. So that's a pretty good deal. And when you go there, you do get your shoes, but also remember to bring socks if you don't, or you'll have to purchase socks. But the price does include the shoes.
Alright, so the atmosphere for this location is pretty dope. It's a nice setup with the restaurant on one side and you have the bowling alley on the other. When you go, as the opponent said, you collect your shoes, you tell them your name because you write down your name on a paper, and then they put it up on the board for you. So you will have, if it's two names, if it's 4, any amount of persons go, they will put it on the board for you as well. Also, you get to choose the bowling ball of your choice. There are heavy ones and there are lighter ones, so you have to feel around until you find the right one for you.
One that's comfortable, because I couldn't manage the heavy one.
Right. So you just go and take turns at bowling and see if you can hit down the pins, as much pins as possible. I managed to get a few strikes in. It was fun just to hit bowling alley. You've heard of bowling alley in the States before, and it's here in Jamaica. So it'd be nice if you go out and check it out for yourself and just have some fun with a group. It's good with groups. You laugh and have fun with each other, and everybody does like a try compete to be the top on the scoreboard and get the strike. So it's a hands down must try, must go.
Right. And remember that's half an hour, so of course you have to make sure that you do the most in that half an hour that you get.
So it's like if it's 2 persons, it's half an hour, but the more persons go in groups for the 2 for 1, the time is extended. So 2 persons half an hour, and then the more.
Anyway, so the service at this place was pretty good. Don't worry if you don't know how to bowl, because we know bowling is something that is new in Jamaica. If you go overseas, you bowl, yes, but not a lot of persons would necessarily know how to bowl, but they do have persons there who are there willing to instruct you and show you how to do it. Don't worry, I got a lot of gutter balls my first time. Don't worry about that. You'll get the hang of it over time. You know what I mean? And you'll get more comfortable. But don't worry, the service is pretty good. The people are pretty nice. They will assist you and they will show you what you need to do, to get those strikes and stuff like that. So
So definitely, what do you think about JamZone bowling? What would you grade them out of 5?
Okay, I'll give them a 4. It's a really cool place. It's a really interesting place, and it's really fun as well. And it's active. I know a lot of times we see us eating food, stuff in our gut. We did eat some food, but not from there. But it's active. You soak a lot. You're up and down, moving up and down, and it's really fun. Trust me, guys. So you guys should go and check it out if you haven't. So I'd give them a 4.
Should give them a 4, but for me it's a 4.5. To top it off at a 5, I think I don't know. But I guess something really different. But I'll give them a 4.5 out of 5 because again the place is pretty dope. It's a really nice setup. Music, I play, the food there. But if you go with friends, trust me, it's hands down gonna be really amazing. Trust me, I have like a whole heap of fun and laugh after each other. So do go with people, a group of people as well. We want to thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of YaadMentz Season 2. Yes, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, share, and comment down below. Comment your favorite thing about this episode. Comment on places that you think we can try out. Not only Kingston, but we're trying to go out. We do have some episodes out of Kingston, so you need to tune in and watch out for that as well. Oh yes, don't forget to follow us on
Instagram at YaadMentz.
So stay tuned for more episodes.
We'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, man, season 2. Bye.